Scarecrows, hello and welcome to this video on some facts about scarecrows. Scarecrows have been used for centuries to protect crops from birds and other pests. They are often seen in fields, gardens, and orchards, standing tall with outstretched arms and a menacing expression. While scarecrows may seem like a simple and traditional solution to a common problem, their history, design, and effectiveness are actually quite fascinating. History of scarecrows. Scarecrows have been used for thousands of years in various forms. Ancient Egyptians placed wooden or straw effigies of farmers in their fields to deter birds from eating their crops. In Japan, scarecrows were made from paper, bamboo, and cloth and were dressed in samurai armor. The modern scarecrow as we know it today emerged in Europe during the Middle Ages, when farmers would stuff old clothes with straw and perch them on poles in their fields. Design and function. Scarecrows are designed to scare away birds and other pests that would otherwise eat crops. Their human-like shape, often with outstretched arms, is meant to create the illusion of a person standing guard over the field. Some scarecrows also feature brightly colored or reflective materials to add to their intimidating appearance. While scarecrows are typically made from straw and dressed in old clothing, modern versions can be made from a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and even high-tech materials like motion sensors and audio devices. Effectiveness. While scarecrows may seem like a simple and low-tech solution, their effectiveness in deterring birds and other pests is actually quite varied. Some studies have shown that scarecrows are highly effective, reducing crop losses by as much as 90%. Other studies, however, have found that birds can quickly become accustomed to the presence of scarecrows and may even use them as perches. In addition to their effectiveness in deterring pests, scarecrows have also become a beloved symbol of farming and rural life. They have been immortalized in literature and art, and are often seen as a quaint and charming part of the countryside. Frequently asked questions. Do scarecrows actually work? While scarecrows can be effective in deterring birds and other pests, their effectiveness can vary depending on a variety of factors, including the type of pest, the size of the field, and the frequency with which the scarecrow is moved or altered. How do you make a scarecrow? To make a traditional scarecrow, you will need a wooden pole, straw or hay, old clothes, and some twine or rope. Start by stuffing the clothes with straw or hay and attaching them to the pole. Add a head, made from a burlap sack, pillowcase, or other material, and any additional accessories, such as a hat or gloves. Finally, attach the scarecrow to a stake or other support and place it in the field. What other methods can be used to deter pests? In addition to scarecrows, farmers and gardeners can use a variety of methods to deter pests, including netting, bird repellents, and physical barriers like fences and cages. Can scarecrows be harmful to birds? Scarecrows themselves are not harmful to birds, but some methods of deterring birds, such as using reflective tape or fake predators, can be harmful if not used properly. Are scarecrows still used today? Yes, scarecrows are still used today, although their use has declined somewhat as other pest control methods have become more popular. What are some modern versions of scarecrows? Modern versions of scarecrows can include motion sensors that activate a sound or light when birds are detected, as well as more realistic and detailed designs made from materials like plastic and metal. In conclusion, scarecrows have been an integral part of farming and agriculture for centuries. Their main purpose is to scare off birds and other wildlife that can damage crops. Over the years, scarecrows have evolved from simple straw figures to complex and realistic structures. They not only serve their practical purpose but have also become a symbol of farming and rural life. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.